So you are going to receive a lot of subscribers for your channel by following the methods, tips, tricks that I show you in this video. So don't skip this video. The video is gonna be straightforward and simple. So watch the video without skipping. Now let's dive in. Hi guys, this is Shashasai from Intech English. I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon for more interesting updates. If you did that, so let's get started. I made this tip number 1 because you just might leave this, but this is the most important one. Let me tell you how. Now imagine as you are just a simple YouTube user and not a content creator. Imagine you like tech videos, so you subscribe to the channels which are tech related, like Technical Guruji, MKBHD, Mr. The Boss, etc. Just like that, imagine another situation where you like music, so you subscribe T-Series, Marshmello, Alan Walker, Justin Bieber, etc. Imagine a channel which uploads a video on tech, another on music, another on news, and the viewers think that what the hell is this channel about, and they leave your channel. So you get the idea. That is why you need to stand on one theme. The best theme is what you love doing. For example, I love technology, so I make videos on technology. That's it. Add subscribe links everywhere possible. If you need more subscribers, then you must add subscribe links everywhere possible. You can add links on the end screen, or description, channel art, and about section and comment section also. Join the magic subscribe link. You can join the URL displayed on the screen to your channel URL, so that when a user clicks on that link, YouTube directly asks the user to subscribe or not. It means he or she don't need to click the subscribe button, and the YouTube already shows that. So you get that. The most important one is editing. Editing is the most important step to gain views, likes, and even subscribers too. I asked the user, one of my friend, why did you subscribe to this channel? Then he replied, I love his editing, even though I don't need this content. So you need to edit a lot and spend a lot of time on editing. I spend at least 5 to 6 hours on editing, and by the time the video goes live, my friends and teachers say that it was a great edit. And some of them ask, which software did you use? How did you edit? So by the tip, you need to understand, and editing is one of the most important steps to get likes and subscribers. Comment on every comment to subscribe. You definitely need to try this out. You as a content creator need to engage with your audience on comment section and live streams everywhere possible, which lets you get even more subscribers. And while replying to them, ask them to subscribe at the end. Second video on YouTube fan building series. If you haven't watched our first video yet, which is about best websites for copyright-free images, videos and music, go check that out, link in the description or on the screen. If you want to build up your fans and audience on YouTube, this is a series for you guys. Subscribe to our channel for the next video on this series. Take advantage of end screens. End screens are with YouTube for promoting your next video or previous video or any of your videos. And you can even add your channel using end screens, and when a user clicks on this, they see the subscribe button. I don't have any analytics to show you guys as I'm a buddy new YouTuber, so I hope you guys understand, but this tip will definitely help you. Make a plan. Sir Winston Churchill said, "He who fails to plan is planning to fail." This is absolutely correct in my opinion. Let me know what do you guys think in the comment section below. Before going to write the script, I always plan first and go with the script. Planning is always my top priority. Consistency is the key. I personally experienced this. This 2020 summer vacation was great as I was creating and uploading 2 videos a week and gained 38 subscribers. And the problem occurred when my vacation was over and online classes were started. As I need to focus on my studies after summer vacation, as I was not uploading any video, I lost 4 subscribers and even more. So consistent is the key. Second video on YouTube fan building series. If you haven't watched our first video yet, which is about best websites for copyright free images, videos and music, go check that out, link in the description or on the screen. If you want to build up your fans and audience on YouTube, this is the series for you guys. Subscribe to our channel for the next video on this series.